In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on unlock and security. Then scroll again to tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, use this icon next to enable raise to wake to turn it off or on, and hit continue at the bottom right corner. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. Manage all of those options, and when you're ready, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!